Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can customize your Slack's user interface. We all know how important it is to have a workspace that reflects our style and needs, so let's get started. First things first, we're going to access the preferences. You do this by clicking on your workspace name at the top left corner of your screen, then find and click on Preferences. The reason we do this is because it's the gateway to all customization settings. Now that we're in Preferences, let's move on to the Themes tab. It's here that you can choose a color scheme that suits your aesthetic. Do you prefer a light or dark mode? Or maybe you fancy a pop of color? The choice is yours. This helps us because a comfortable viewing experience can improve our productivity. Next up, we'll hop over to the Sidebar tab. Here, you can decide what you want to see on your sidebar. Maybe you want to see only unreads and starred conversations, or you prefer to see everything. You can even adjust the size of text and icons. Customizing the sidebar is crucial because it allows us to prioritize the information we see the most. After that, let's go to the Accessibility tab. Here, you can increase the text size, enable high contrast mode, or turn on screen reader mode. This ensures that Slack is as inclusive and accessible as possible. Now, our last step is over in the Advanced tab. This is where you can get into the nitty-gritty, like marking messages as read when you view them or choosing a particular language. These details matter because they make your Slack experience uniquely yours. And just like that, you've personalized your Slack user interface. Remember, the more comfortable you are with your workspace, the better your productivity and work experience will be. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.